Okay. Uh, then we will see a model question in the case of single exponential smoothing. So that we listen what is actually a single exponential smoothing in the classroom. So we are going to see a model question with this. Listen to the question. A sales data of a milk shop is shown here. It's taken for a month, 1 up to 12 month. A year data is here. Then they gave the sale. What happened? Remember, the sale actually mean to be a demand. Okay, demand of that. You can understand as demand. Then they gave the demand. For this demand, we are going to make a forecasting with this. But what are the assumptions they gave us? Initial forecasting might be 100 and the alpha would be 0.2. Accounting these data, we are going to make a exponential smoothing. So you may remember the formula for this one. I will write it for your favor. The new forecasting, because this exponential will bring a new forecasting for us for each occurrence. So the forecasting would be previous forecasting t minus 1 f t minus 1 plus alpha, the constant, by demand, previous demand minus previous forecast. Because you are aware, compared to the previous study we did, this one will bring a new forecasting based on the present demand. Okay, so for the given question, the data of 96, we are going to make a forecasting now, so that we are going to do forecasting for the demand 96. So as per the question they gave here, initial forecasting is 100. We are going to take the same. So 100, alpha it is given 0.2, 96 minus 100. This what? Then finally we will get the forecasting 99.2. See, this is for the first 96. Then likely you need to do for the entire 12 month. To simplify this, we can make a table. You can see here the demand which is given already in the question. These are all given in the question. Then we do start with the first forecasting of 100 as per the question instruction. Then we got to a calculation. Finally we got 99.2 is the new forecasting we found through the procedure. Then using this 99.2, you account it here as the forecasting of previous one. Follow the same formula which we have done. The forecasting, new forecasting, previous forecasting plus alpha by demand minus forecasting of the previous things. So what we are going to do, we will apply this demand here, then this forecasting here. Already we knew the alpha 0.2. If you apply in this formula, you will get an answer of 100.56. Like 100.56 you have to apply here, then continue the whole. You will get a table like this. So I will review it again. This data given in the question, according to this we gone for a calculation accounting 100 as our previous forecasting. Then we found a new forecasting. This new forecasting we applied here again to measure next forecasting for our present demand. Likely it is repeated. So finally you will find new forecasting for the entire 1 year data. Like this you need to solve this question. Okay.